What's up, YouTube? Ryan back with a video today. Right now I just got off of work. Let me turn this down. So yeah, I just got off of work just now. My fuel, I had bought a fuel-lit sensor for my E-content. I have to go to my mom's house to go pick it up and I'm gonna install it. I got my motor mounts, but I'm not gonna do my motor mounts. I've been working heavy right now, I ain't even gonna lie. Right now I'm on my way, I'm driving to my mom's house. It's not that far, but it's gonna take me a while to get home. And I bought new fuel lines for the fuel-lit sensor thing. I got some 034, I don't know how they say it. 034 motor mounts. This is it right here. So it tells me through Bluetooth what's my E-content. Cause I want to run E60 instead of my full E85. I feel like it's too much, I ain't gonna lie. Without a high pressure fuel pump, yeah, I'm gonna need to just dilute it a little bit. I gotta do my motor mounts. And then when I start racing from now on, I'm gonna take this seat and the back seat out. So, you know, I have a fair weight race with these smaller cars. And I'm gonna do my times there. Hopefully I'm like low 3s, low 11s with that. Do my solid mounts soon, but I've been working a lot, like 14 days in a row. And then I cracked my front lip.
Emotional, damn it!
Like, I'm gonna raise the car a little bit with the tires I'm going with. Going 255, 40, 19s on my next setup. Whenever I get to my mom's house, I'll pick the camera up just to show you guys the fuel-lit gauge. How does it look?
Drip too hard, got these niggas upset. Know these niggas mad cause the nigga up next. Shooters in the cut there, really make a mess.
I just picked it up. And it comes with like quick release and the wiring, then the Bluetooth plug. Now I'm on my way home to try to install it. Let the engine cool off a little bit because this shit hot. I don't want this shit to blow up on me.
Get no once, then I'm through. Can't love a bitch cause I married the blues. Niggas envy, but I keep it cool. Back then I was broke, now I'm trapping out the spot. Niggas thought it was a joke till I showed them what I'm about. Was big bro, had to crack the nigga hot. Was kicked though, but a nigga had to stop. You can get white, I don't play by the rules. Ain't playing chess, but I stay making moves. They say I'm on this, but I feel overdue. Know I'm the best, but they say I'm the truth. Don't get no rest cause I'm up for the blues. Don't gotta tell my niggas they gon' shoot. Hang with gorillas, they straight from the zoo. All of my bitches be coming by two.
Alright guys, just made it back home. Was my light open this whole fucking time? That made no noise. I'm gonna show you guys the line I'm gonna be replacing. This right here. And then it goes connected to right. Connects to this. So we're gonna be taking this wire and then connecting the fuel thing behind here. Alright. So right now I'm getting all the wiring right. Let me get this real quick. Shoot. So I cut a little bit of it, so I'm just connecting here and then connect this like that. Then have it come out the other side to go right here. So I'm gonna go and connect this real quick. Yeah, so it's true. You just lube this up a little bit. Got some of the grease. You know what I'm saying? Go all around that motherfucker. Make sure it fits perfect. Now let's see. Oh yeah, that bitch going.
All this trapping, I turn to a habit. No boy status, I'm all about cabbage. Don't run up on me, bitch, I'm living lavish. I keep it on me and ready to blast. Ain't got nothing on me, you niggas be crabbing. Man, when them nights you sleep on the pallet. Ain't had shit, had to get up and grab it. Living this life, I done grew up a savage. Ain't got no time to play. I gotta find a way. If you run up on me, I swear you down today. Can't put a 9 away. And I keep an eye on the hate. Niggas be plotting, so I keep an eye on the cake. I run up a check for a living. So you know a nigga got them bands. Big brother, he tell me he spinning. Then you know I'm spinning with my candy. Wanna know how I be I know all these bitches be winning. Remember a nigga one training. Pussy nigga that was there, a nigga be hot like a hitter. But my wrist froze like a freezer. I hit it one time and I leave him. On my soul, I won't never keep it. Don't know how the fuck I'ma teach it. Pull out my car, she'll eat it.
Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to connect this hose. And then when I'm connected, I'll try to come back on. No problem. The clamps that I got for this don't fit around here. So I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone and get some. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try to take this off real quick. So when I come back, all I gotta do is replace these hoses. And that's it. Alright, be back. So guys, it was kind of fucking ass. But, alright, so I got the wire hooked up. You can see it right here. I got the LED bar. Fuel kit is right here. I'm gonna have to mount it somewhere around here. I don't know where yet. But I gotta connect to the fuel line. Now I'm about to start wiring everything. You gotta take the strut bar out to get to this little box right here where it shows the power cord and everything. And you got the negatives and the positives. So I'm connected to this negative, and I'm connected to that positive. And then we'll be good to go. And then reinstall everything and turn it on and see if it works. But I'm gonna go get the wiring right now. So this is me connected to the app. I'm running regular gas on my E10, E8. So everything looks factory still. I got it behind the intake. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. So tomorrow I'm gonna go back to E85, E60. It was kind of complicated, I ain't gonna lie. I had got the hoses from Amazon. But when you do that, make sure you get the clips, different clips. I had a hard time taking one of the hoses off one of these fucking tubes. This shit was a nightmare. It took me, that's what it took forever. And then under here, remove this. You'll have some positive wires under this. And that's where I wired it to. And then back here on the firewall, there's a bolt so you could connect the negative wire. So far, I mean, I ran it for like probably 10 minutes to see if I have any leaks on these hoses. Pretty good so far. And I kept my cover, my Audi cover. Yeah, and then next is gonna be the motor mounts, which is all the way fucking down there. And I already know if this was hard, I already know this fucking motor mounts is gonna be even worse.
Drip too hard, got these niggas upset. No these niggas mad cause a nigga up next. Shooters in the cut there really make a mess. Don't play with me, better watch you test. No, I'm in a rush if it's all about a check. Niggas like the plot, so I gotta keep it tight. I'm number one, should be laid with the best. I ain't hard shit, so you know I gotta flex. Now they watching the way that I move. Came a long way from toy.